Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 8th chapter, that is reproduction and adolescence. Students, in previous video already we have discussed about that determination of sex of a baby. How we have to find out the child, whether it is the baby is girl or boy. Already I have explained to you. There are needed that 23 pairs for a made a boy or boy child or a girl. So it is coming from that X chromosomes and it is by the Y chromosomes or X and X chromosomes. If that XX chromosomes it is there 23 pairs, then we should say it is a girl. If it is X and Y chromosome 23 pair of chromosomes are there, then we should say it is a boy. So students, today we are going to discuss about that different things, new things one, that is called as hormones and endocrine glands. Students, what is that hormones? You have listened that due to that one hormone secretion, that some girls they have not have that what mustard or beard. Yes, that is one secondary sexual characters you will study in that next videos. So some boys having that mustards and a beards, but it is not present in the girl because of they have no such hormones. So for that, what is that hormones, how it is secreted, from where it is, we will study in this video. So hormone, what is that? First of all, we will discuss about that. What is the hormone? Now hormone is one chemical substances which are secreting from the one special glands like that endocrine glands. Okay, suppose what are that endocrine glands? Endocrine glands are there, especially pituitary glands. Okay, pancreas, testes, ovaries. Okay, these are all are about that thyroid glands. These all are that called as endocrine glands. And from these glands, what happening? One chemical substance are secreting, that is called as hormones. Okay, so suppose master gland, that is called as pituitary glands, and the pituitary glands what is secreting, that is say our growth hormone. Okay, and a thyroid the stimulating thyroids, that hormones are secreting, it is controlling the growth. That means these hormones are specially secreting from that master glands. Okay, that is what a pituitary glands. What that means, this hormones what is helping? That hormones generally helping to growth and pregnancy and of the babies. Okay, for that it is also helping to growth and a pregnancy and a development of pregnancy and a formation of the baby. How the baby will form, it is also helping. Yes, because the testis from that what is coming, our sperms are secreting that hormones, and another one from that female gametes are coming from the ovaries. So these are the glands. From the two glands we are coming and forming that babies. So these are very important things. So we will discuss in this video. So let us see students, hormones and endocrine glands. Okay, the endocrine glands means students pituitary glands, thyroid, adrenal gland, pancreas, testes, ovaries. These are generally the endocrine glands. So first of all, we will discuss what is the hormones. These are chemical substances which are secreted from the special organ called endocrine glands. These hormones are a chemical substances. Those are the chemical substances which are secreting from the special organ of the body. Our body contains that one special organs. From that, this one chemical substance are secreting. That chemical substance are called as what is that? Hormones. Okay. So now endocrine glands are ductless glands and that are secreted hormones. These are the specially ductless glands are secreting that what are hormones. Hormones play significant roles in growth, development, pregnancy and formation of the babies. How the growth will come, how the development will come, how the pregnancy will come, how the formation of the baby. These all the activities are by connecting by the hormones. Okay, so specially these hormones, which glands are responsible, which hormones are secreting, we will discuss in this. What is that location, where it is situated, where is it present? Suppose pituitary glands, where it is present, over the at the base of brain का पास रहता हो, नीचे रहता हो, ठीक है, at the base of the brain. Okay, same like where is that ovaries, where is the testis, where is the pancreas, liver का नीचे रहता pancreas. So like that we will discuss how which hormones are secreting. We will discuss about that all endocrine glands and what are the hormones are secreting, what are its function, and where it is location. We will one by one we will discuss. Okay, so first of all we have to see what are the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are generally pituitary glands, thyroids, adrenal glands, pancreas, testis, and ovaries. Remember students, these 6 what are that? One is pituitary glands, second one is pancreas, ovaries, testis, and these are the endocrine glands. Okay, and first of all we will discuss about that. What is the pituitary glands? It is also called master gland. Pituitary gland is also called a master gland. Why? Because it is controlling all the functions of so many hormones are secreting by this master gland. So many hormones are secreting by the pituitary glands, like growth hormone and another one is the thyroid stimulating hormones. So many hormones are secreting from the pituitary gland, so that's why it's called as also master glands of the body. Okay, it is located at the base of a brain. Where it is present, where it is situated, it is at the base of the brain. Okay, next it is secreted growth hormone GH and thyroid stimulating hormones TSH. Thyroid stimulating hormone also secreting by the endocrine gland, that is master gland. Okay students, so these are all about that what is that endocrine glands. Next we will discuss about the thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, testis, and ovaries in the next video. Okay students, thank you all of you, have a nice day, bye.